Kolkata police has tightened security. That means over the general strike that has been called over this, while some of the MLAs have been detained. The latest is that the Kolkata police tightening security. Total 5,000 police personnel have been deployed. We are told that 15 senior rank officers, DCP rank officers, will be in charge of every important point. There will be joint commissioners who will be in charge of security. Drones are being used for aerial surveillance. So anyone trying to hold a band, trying to disrupt services will be taken to task. So this is definitely leading to a showdown. Look at the visuals coming in. This is yesterday's visuals that we have. RAF, which is the Rapid Action Force in blue that you can see. Then there are the QRT, which is the Quick Response Team. There is also the HRFS, it's the Heavy Radio Flying Squad. And then, of course, there is the police, but also medical services from the police. There are ambulances have been deployed. Look at that, senior officers in charge, the cops that have been deployed as well. So it's now going to be a full-on showdown. One side wants to show that there is a strike. Another will want to show all is well. Ritik continues to be with us. Ritik, so past few days have not just been about dharna and protests, it's been about scuffle and clashes.
Definitely, and it's simmering, it's boiling. What we do see, be it several organizations coming out on the streets. Yesterday what happened, we did see that thousands of supporters under the banner of the Paschim Bango Chhatra Samaj, politics erupted over this, and they clashed, with the police, cop police. Anyway, they stopped this, protesters on the streets heading towards the state secretariat, and for a long period of time, at least for 5 hours, we did see what the ruckus went on the streets of Kolkata. Several protesters were injured, even in stone pelting. Several police personnel got injured as well. But today, simultaneously, what we are learning that BJP called this general strike for 12 hours on this case. Remember, Bengal is known for this such kind of protest and yes. But Mamata being very, very strict against such a general strike. So which
very
is why,
interesting, because Mamata Banerjee's politics has been about dharna, agitations, protests, taking it to the streets. Today as Chief Minister, she says this is just opposition's drama that they are doing. They are leading these anarchy, as one of the leaders called it. So that's what is happening presently right now. Keep tracking all the latest on that, Ritik. So it's going to be a full-on political showdown, remember. While there is the rape and murder case, accused caught by the Kolkata police, CBI investigating further about the timeline and if there is different link to it coming in as well. But a day after the violent protest outside the Secretariat, BJP called for the 12-hour bandh today. So it starts already. It's 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. That's why you already see scuffles and clashes on the streets.